Put a brace from the top of this post down to that one, because this mounted on the bridge was moving. Had to move that pipe all together. Custom gate latch. Well, there. Very nice. Gate opens all the way, flush with the bridge. Has a built-in stop, which is the bridge. Perfect.